Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely adorable play-doh Shaun the sheep. He looks so real, doesn't he? For this, you're only going to need white play-doh, black play-doh, a play-doh knife, and a toothpick. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to make Shaun's head. We're going to do this out of black. Make sure you set aside some black to do the detail later on. Keep going until you're happy with the shape. It should look kind of like an egg. Now take your toothpick. We're going to make 2 holes for Shaun's nostrils. And we're also going to make a smile. Like this. Looking good. Now we're going to take some of the black play-doh to make Shaun's ears. Smooth down the edges. They should look like a long skinny teardrop. Add them to the top of his head. And don't forget to do both of them. Cute! Now we're going to make eyes for Shaun so he can see. We're going to make the eyes out of white play-doh. Make them big and round, then stick them on. Use a tiny bit of black play-doh to add the detail. Just like so. And don't forget, Shaun needs some wool on top of his head. Use a bit of the white play-doh to add this. We want to make the shape round, and then using our play-doh knife, cut away some sections of the edge. This will give it texture and make it look more like wool. See? Super cute! Now set the head aside because we're going to make Shaun's body. First of all, we're going to make 2 thin sausage shapes out of the black play-doh. Flatten them at the top, and don't forget to make 2. These are going to be Shaun's legs. We're going to sit our white play-doh on top of them, like so. Now take some more black play-doh, because we need to make Shaun's arms. See? Add them to the top of his body, and soon we're going to add his head on top. Don't forget to do his second arm. Now we're going to take our toothpick and add it to the top of Shaun's body. And to finish it all off, we're going to add his head on top. And there you go. Doesn't he look good? A play-doh Shaun the sheep. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Bye!